What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and I crack them open right here on my YouTube channel. This is the red car episode. Every single vehicle I'm opening on today's episode is red. I'm so stoked. I have a whole bunch of cars here. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cars to crack open, and let's get started with this one right here. We got us a 2020 Ram. Pretty cool casting. First time I saw this one in the wild. It might be a new one. I used to work at a Ram dealership, so this one is really close to home. There we go. Forgive my dry hands. Very cool casting. See the Ram right there. Rebel logo, 4x4. Got those big chrome bead lockers on there. The headlight detail is really nice on this one. Got a nice sunroof right there. And there's the base for everyone that wants to see it. That's a good one to start the video with. Let's put it right over there. And you know what? I'm going to pause real quick just to go put some lotion on my hands because that looks really bad on camera. I'll be right back. Alright, next car up. We got the 84 Pontiac Firebird. Very cool casting. I remember very similar cars, like when I was a kid. I used to have all kinds of Firebirds, Trans Ams, and all kinds of stuff like that. So this one's real nostalgic for me. Let's take a look at it more closely. Like the 5-spoke wheels, got rolled down windows, no side view mirrors, but very, very clear windows, windshield I should say. You can see the interior really nicely. There we go, we got the Firebird logo. There's the front right there. Oh, there we go, it says Trans Am right there. Does it say it on the other side? Yes, it does, I just missed it. And there's the back right there. And the base for everyone that wanted to see that. Awesome, really dig this casting. So stoked to have that in the collection. Let's put it right there next to the Ram. Wow, the lotion didn't really seem to help my hands that much. Man, they're just getting wrecked. But it's all good. Oh, the next one up is actually a personal favorite of mine. Love BMW, such classic lines. This is only the second BMW I have in my collection. Super stoked, it's an older one. I did purchase this one on eBay. Alright, that one opened up really nicely. Alright, let's take a look. We got the split 5-spoke wheels, looks like they're gunmetal. It does have side view mirrors and rolled up windows. I like how it's just all red. No wild Tempo. Oh, the headlight and grille detail is amazing. Hot Wheels did a really good job with this one. Really, really nice. The taillights look wonderful. Beamer logo. Really excellent casting. M2. Awesome. Honestly, this one is fantastic. I'm really, really into this casting. Super stoked to have this one in the collection. We'll put it there, right next to the Firebird or Trans Am, whatever it is. What was it actually? It was Firebird, okay. And the next one up, near and dear to my heart, one of my favorite cars of all time, the R33 Skyline. Beautiful. Another eBay purchase. Awesome. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Nice metallic red. Beautiful chrome split 5-star. Metal wing. Rolled up windows. No side view mirrors, unfortunately, but you can see the marker light right there. There's the front. Not much detail, unfortunately. Got a nice lip. Tempo looks to be intact. We do have some taillight detail. Very nice GTR logo. That will look great on the Plano wall next to my other Skylines. Check out that metallic paint. It looks really nice. Super stoked on that one. Fantastic casting. Alright, let's see. Oops, hit the camera there. And next one up, we got a Pagani Huayra, the Roadster, aka convertible. Let's go ahead and crack this one open. Oh, this one is awesome. Look at this beast of a car. what is that, 10-spoke wheel. There's the base, gray plastic. There's the interior. It's kind of hard to see because it's all black, but the steering wheel doesn't look half bad. All the headlights look really nice. So we had a racing stripe going down the middle. This is an instant classic. What an amazing car. So we have diffusers, part of the plastic base, taillight detail. That's a fun one to add to the collection. I need to get more Paganis. Let's see, let's move those all just a tiny bit more to make room for the last Pagani in my my haul video. This one has the Pagani Tempo. Alright. Really stoked on this one also. Oops. Awesome. Really nice clean Tempo. Hard top. No side view mirrors, but we do have some nice headlight detail. Same wheels as the last Pagani. And there's the back section. Awesome. Super stoked to have some Paganis in my collection finally. Man, look at all these beautiful red cars. How awesome is that? We got a little piece of package right there. There we go. We got the Ram, the Firebird, the Beamer, the Skyline, and 2 beautiful Paganis. I would like to thank each and every one of you that made it to the end of this video. If you're into Hot Wheels content, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video, and we will see you guys tomorrow.